Hi everyone. In this video I'll teach you how to create a modern travel poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350 pixels. These are the colors that I'll be using throughout the design. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle the same size as the artboard. Apply a gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Object menu, select Lock, and choose Selection. Now, go to the Ellipse tool. Click on the artboard and enter 300 pixels. Apply a black fill color to it. Align it to the center. Go to the Edit menu and choose Copy, then Paste in front. Increase its size to 650 pixels. And change the fill to an outline. Paste it again. Increase its size to 800 pixels. And change it to an outline. Paste it once more. Increase its size to 900 pixels. And change it to an outline. Go to the Line tool and draw a vertical line in the center of the circle. Align it to the center of the circle. Select the line. Go to the Rotate tool and press Enter. Type 368 degrees and click the Copy button. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the rotation. Hold the Shift key to select all the lines. And adjust their placement. Select the middle line and adjust its position. Select everything, go to the Shape Builder tool. And follow the same process as I do. Select the black-filled shapes one by one. Go to the Edit menu and choose Cut. Then delete the extra lines. And paste the shapes in front. Add a white stroke to them. And increase the stroke weight to 11. Then go to the Object menu and choose Expand. Open the Pathfinder panel and click on the Divide button. Double-click to enter isolation mode. Select the Magic Wand tool and click on the black area. Go to the Edit menu and choose Cut. Select the extra lines and press Delete. Then paste the shapes in front. Select the shapes again. Edit menu and Cut. Delete the small remaining particles. And paste them in front again. Go to the Edit menu and choose Copy. Now, go to the File menu and choose Place. Hold the Shift key to select multiple images and place them. Select all the shapes, right-click, choose Arrange, and select Bring to Front. Select the center shape and the image. Right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Double-click and adjust the image size. Repeat the same process for the remaining shapes. Then paste the shape in front and change its fill to an outline. Go to the File menu and place the dotted PNG image. Select the design and bring it to the front. Select the dotted image, go to the Transparency panel. Change the blend mode to Multiply. And decrease the opacity to 12%. Hold the Alt key and drag it downward to duplicate it. Select both dotted images and lock them. Create a small circle shape. Make multiple copies of it. And follow my placement. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Follow my text settings. Create a rectangle shape and round its corners. Then follow my settings. Add text inside it. I already have the text and logo ready, so place them into the design. And that's it. Thank you for watching.